Hola, festejemos el mes de la herencia hispana con unas recetas muy ricas. Let's celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month with some delicious recipes.
Hello, this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, here to show you a recipe from Foods of the Americas in correspondence with Hispanic Heritage Month, provided by the Greensboro Public Library. Today's recipe is Argentine beef and potatoes soup. For your ingredients, you're going to need beef brisket or shoulder, beef stock, corn oil, white onion, red bell pepper, small potatoes, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, and some minced parsley. Step 1. Place your beef brisket or shoulder and 2 cups of your stock in a pan over medium-high heat. Once you have it on the stove, bring it up to a boil and decrease your heat to medium-low. You're going to let this slow cook for 2 hours. A good cooking tip is to add water to your meat to keep it covered while it's cooking to keep it moist. When the meat's done, your third step is to add oil to a pan over medium-high heat. You're going to toss in your shredded meat and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it's browned evenly. For step 5, you're going to add your onion and your bell pepper, and you're going to stir it often for 3 to 5 minutes so it doesn't get overcooked. For step 6, you're going to add your stock and the cooking liquid from cooking your meat earlier, plus the potatoes and some cayenne to the pot. Cover everything and bring to a boil, then bring it down to simmer for 15 minutes until the potatoes are nice and tender. For step 7, you just need to add in salt, pepper, and cayenne to your preferred taste. Make sure to stir it up to incorporate everything well. Finally, ladle a generous amount of the soup into a bowl and sprinkle with some fresh parsley that's already cut up, and enjoy! Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day!